general guidance for the week. What is the messages coming up for you related with this week, 21st June 2021 to 27th June 2021. So let's see what is the general messages coming for this week for you. So this is a general guidance. Whatever resonates, please pick those things. Whatever doesn't resonate, just leave those things. And those who are new to my channel, I'm Shikha Thakur. Please like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos. Let's see what is the general guidance for the week. Okay, so the first card is Seven of Wands, which is showing me lots of struggle. It is showing me lots of struggle. So might be possible literally you are struggling up related with your career, related with your relationship. So this week is all about releasing those struggle and take a action. You have to take a action because you are focusing up on lots of different things and your mind is not clear in making a decision. So in this week, I feel that this is a time to choose one particular task and just finish those things. Okay, so let's see more. It is also related with something related with new opportunities. Something related with new opportunities are coming up in your ways. It could be related with communication. If you are struggling up for, if I predict this with the relationship, I feel you are struggling up. Those who are not having communication with their partner, this week is going to bring new communication. More possible chances are there that your partner is going to text you or they will communicate with you, or might be possible you will get some sort of messages from your partner, from someone. Okay, so this is the next thing. Lots of confusions, illusions. So lots of confusions are there, and the card Ace of Swords is all about clearing your confusion. Ace of Swords also represent the energies of Archangel Michael. So if you are struggling up related with the career, related with your relationship, your communication, call upon Archangel Michael to cut all the blockages, clear all the cords, clear all the blockages from your mind and from your relationship, from your work, and just bring the things in balance, because Ace of Swords also represent Archangel Michael energy. So definitely Archangel Michael might be possible many of you are working with Archangel Michael, because I'm getting a very strong call coming up for Archangel Michael. Start working this week on a releasing process, cord cutting process. Those who are stuck, because this is a mixed reading, this is a general reading, so I'm just focusing up on career, relation, as well as the general advice. So those who are stuck in their past relationship and those who want to let go the past, so this week is very good time to just cut your all cords with the past person, let go past person, and for doing this you just call Archangel Michael. You can do many meditation which is related with Archangel Michael. There are lots of meditation on YouTube. Just choose that meditation which drawn you most and start doing that meditation. Okay, which will clear your illusion, which will clear your confusion, because you are stuck, you are confused, you are unable to make the right decision. So let's see more cards for more clarity. Definitely. So this is a time to heal yourself, and that's what I am getting up here. The right time to heal yourself, the right time to work on yourself, the right time to release your past. So definitely the cards are telling me releasing your past is most important to heal yourself, to release this confusion, and for releasing this confusion you need to work with Archangel Michael. Okay, so this is what I'm getting up for you. Let's pick more cards for the guidance. Now, what is the guidance here for this week? Let's see. Be practical, and sometimes many of you are being blunt here because you are facing lots of struggle, which is making you a little bit blunt. So this is a time to just again come back into your emotion, control your emotions, and bring the stability in your life. For how you are going to bring the stability? Again, by cutting and releasing the past blockages, whether it is relationship blockage, whether it is your career blockages, whatever struggles or whatever confusions are there where you are feeling stuck, you just take a pause, do Archangel Michael meditation to clear this blockages from your life, let go this thing, heal yourself, and then you will be in a state where you will be in your own authority of your life. Because right now what is happening up in your life, previously your life was controlled by another people. It could be related with the thought, it could be related with your emotion. People are controlling you. So now this is a time, this week is a time, 21st June to 27 June, where you can release things. And see, 24th is a full moon time. So this is a very good time to do a releasing things. Do whatever doesn't serve for your highest good. Just try to release those things. On a full moon day, you can do the meditation of Archangel Michael. Full moon is also very good to do the grounding meditation. You can do the grounding meditation to ground all the negative toxic emotions which you are holding up and connect with Mother Earth energy to bring more prosperity, abundance, happiness in your life. So this is what is the messages coming up for you. Now I'm just going to pick, because 24th is a full moon. So let's pick two cards to see what exactly you need to do on full moon day, which will help you, like what meditation or what spiritual things. So the full moon, see, 9 of stress releasing, let go the past, release your unnecessarily worries. So definitely releasing part. So do releasing grounding meditation. Either you can go with Archangel Michael cord cutting meditation, either you do a grounding meditation which is related with releasing. Okay, and this is, once you clear this energy, you will be able to attract the real person. Those who are single or those who had a breakup and things are not working between your partner and you, I will suggest you to let go this toxic relationship so that you can really meet your real person. So this is a general reading for 21 June to 27 June, which involved the full moon guidance also. So if you like this reading and if it resonates with you, please drop the comment in comment box. Either you can draw a emoji, send an emoji, or you can just mention this whether it resonates with you or not. It really helped me, it really motivate me to make more videos to help you and provide you guidance. Thank you.